And welcome to Presentation Projects. So today I'm going to see about Microsoft Forms. So today I'm going to build a quiz and a form which can be used to take surveys using Microsoft Forms, which is in office.com. If you like my video, then do subscribe so you'll never miss any notification of my new video. So Microsoft Forms can be used to make surveys and forms with Microsoft for free. Office.com. So now again, see, I have logged into my office.com. You have to sign in or you have to create an account. If you are having a Microsoft OS which is Windows 10, then you will be having this pre-installed Office. It is the same. If you are not having it, you can take it from Microsoft Store. Here you can see you have the OneDrive and Office. So this is what you have to click on. And I am already having Office in my laptop, so this will show that this product is installed and you can launch it. So start with it with Microsoft Forms. So yeah, I am going to this and click on all apps. I'll be covering many of them in later videos. So in this video we are only covering forms. So you can click on new form or a new quiz. First of all, we are going to start a new form. Here you can see your recent or all of your forms. Click on the new form. So it has opened. Here you can see the questions and the responses. So untitled form. I'm leaving it like this only. You can even enter a description or your title. To that add new, you can select a choice which is multiple option or a rating or any of them. So let's start with this one. You can put your question there. Or whatever the question you're having, you can put it up there. And then you can even insert the image or a video. Yeah, I'm inserting the image of it's loading. So this image I like it or you can select any other image. It will take some time to load than usual. Then here you can add your description. Sometimes it may not download the image or it may be removed. So here you can see I inserted another image. You can edit this too or delete or add options. Multiple answer. You can select which is the correct ones or even select required field or select add branching, subtitle or shuffle list options. Add new or a text. Here enter your answer. It is a long answer or a short answer. You can select that and edit your text. and even select rating. So video, now I selected in required field. You can click it. Level can be as much as you want, up to 10. And in symbols, that you have date and then a month, day and year and your first year. And after that, what you can do is you can add a section 2. You can add the name of the section and adding the section 2 here, and you can continue to add any of them, and this is automatically saved here. So after that, what you can do is go to theme and select any of the design which you like. If you want this color will appear like this. This teal is the one which is already selected, or you can select the other ones also. You can even check it out how it will be looking. So here, if you are taking in a presentation, I see this is very nice looking for you. Even you have a presentation here, can enter your answer or give your rating and input it, the year you were born, month, date, and this is what section. Once I selected it, so you can select any number of answer, and you can go back and next, which is the section 2, and your title will appear here also. You can enter your answer and then click on submit, and you can edit in the option whether you want to submit another response or not. This is how it will look in computer. You can even check it from mobile view. I'm going back, and after that you can even print your form or send it to others. You can place it in the form of a QR code or give it on email. So this is how you can make form. So after this we are going to see how the quizzes will look. So I'm here back again. Here you can see the untitled quiz, which is the presentation practice, which is my new one which we have just now created. So here you can see I got one response, which is I had checked it in the preview part. You can open it in browser or remove from list after filling and other options. So now I'm creating a new quiz, and the second thing is you can even select templates like any of them. So you click on them, it will open. I think there is internal error in that thing. I'll try another one. So now you can see here, this is the customer feedback survey which I have just opened. You can edit it or limit the options. And even set it 1 star means not unlikely and 10 star means extremely likely. So now going back to quizzes, I'm selecting new quiz. Yeah, I am. So you can again, I'm selecting presentation projects. can add a description and here it is the same choice. The only difference thing is here is that you can select it whether it is a correct or not. This feature can be used for teachers to take the exams of the children or take a quick short test for them or other forms of survey, which is basically for when you are testing it. So I am gonna just show you around once again. It is the same as it is, just the thing is that this has correct option and you can display a message and give points also. So this feature can be mostly used for teachers, so they can give a quick test for children. Not only Microsoft but also Google has this feature of Google Forms. So Microsoft and Google both have forms. You can select the one which you want to use. I will be also making a quiz using the Google Forms. So thanks for watching this video. If you like it then do subscribe so you'll miss any notification of my new video. Thanks for watching it.